All right, friends, we're here with one of our final assignments for this week, showing us how to complete things in Google Classroom. And this assignment is an exciting one. This is an EdPUzzle. So we're simply going to click EdPUzzle, and it just has this link here for us. And so again, if we were unsure, we could comment to our teacher and be like, do we need to attach anything? Is there something extra we need to do? Maybe we might ask a friend first and see if our friend can answer our question under the class comments. But so we're going to click this and see where it takes us. All right. EdPUzzle is a really great tool that teachers love because it allows you to take video and it embeds questions to it, and it can give the teachers a very detailed view of what their teachers know. So simply, this is a YouTube video. We're going to click play. All right, so we're talking about narrative versus expository writing. All right, very good. And it tells us in narrative writing, we're just watching the video, written from your heart, feelings, experiences, and bam, all of a sudden the video has paused. It is waiting on me, so I am so thankful I was paying attention. And it wants to know, a narrative writing tells a story, false or true? Well, yes, it tells about experiences. Okay, so we're going to hit true. We're going to submit. Oh, yes, it tells us right away we're correct. We have instant feedback as a student. We know that we're on the right track, and we can hit continue and move on in the video. All right, so we're going along, telling us about expository writing, and boom, we have another question. So this is a really great way for you to watch a video, for you to understand what it is you're watching. But let's say maybe you got distracted and you need to rewatch. So we're going to hit rewatch. It takes us back to the previous question. We can watch it again. Okay, we're using our brain, opinions, thoughts. Okay, gives information or opinions. Opinions, yes, absolutely. So we're going to say true. We're going to submit it. We get that instant feedback to know if we're correct, to know if we're paying attention, and we can continue on in the video. Okay, kind of bored, skipping. Want to skip on through here. Now, teachers can stop you from doing this, which is fantastic because they can ensure that you are watching the video, that you have to watch the video in order to answer the questions. And as you see there, I could not skip forward in this video because my teacher had blocked that feature. So watching the video, parents, I don't know if that gives you peace of mind to know that your students aren't just going to fly through and say that they're done and maybe they haven't done it. I have 3 kids at home and I know how that goes. So this is a great tool, EdPUzzle, that you might see your teachers pushing out to you, and your students will watch the videos. They would answer the questions, and the beautiful thing about this is on your teacher's end of this, they're going to see data from the questions that your students have answered, and they can even give them the opportunity to try it again. Maybe if they didn't do so well, they can talk to them about what they missed. They can have another look at it and try again, and they can be in contact with your student and have that great feedback and see where your student is in their learning. So that's an example of EdPUzzle. And again, as always, any assignment you complete in Google Classroom, when you have finished it, you need to mark it as done or turn it in. And this is a wrap on these tools. All right, guys. Our to-do list is absolutely empty. Woohoo, no work to do today. And that means you should get outside and play and get some fresh air and call a friend, call a neighbor, check on them and let them know that you miss them and you hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, we'll be back with more GIS tech tips very soon.